This was another neat little ride. I don't think Karen made it with us on this one. It was just me, Marcia, and Ed. Here we fueled up our bikes, and this is a little map to give you an idea. And way at the bottom in the middle is Rockford, Michigan. That's where we ended up. Cute little town. Now, this bridge we've been across before. When you pan over here to the left, you're going to see the dam. And remember, me and Marcia went down there. We spent a day down there. So we're repeating some of the roads. You have no choice. But once again, what a cool day. Just another little town we're going through along the way before we got to Rockford. I gotta say, I always love seeing Old Glory flying. These people are patriotic here too.
Haircut here, Ed.
I wonder how much. Walk-in. Mask required.
Oh, well, that's me. Oh, shit. I left the mask in the,
I have extra.
Burger Shack.
Yeah.
There's your Burger Shack, Ed.
Yeah, I see that. Sweet tooth.
Ooh.
The sweet tooth was made for me.
Look at the baskets. Holy moly.
Huh. Yep.
Please, bitch.
Mike's
Mike.
bitch.
I don't think so, Buzz.
Did walk around this town. We didn't eat here because we're going to meet up with Karen later on in the day and eat. But this is one cute little town. Now I gotta say, this is one of my favorite pictures. Something about it I just like with that old barn. Now this definitely looked like one of the other roads we did, but when I look at the map, we were away from that place. So this was just another cool little ride going around this lake. Thought this was pretty cool coming up. They got a little beach going around this lake, which was, hey, that's pretty neat. And you know what? I don't think you got to worry about gators out here. So this is the Moe Z restaurant. I gotta say the food was good.
Everybody have a good meal?
Wonderful
It
meal.
was good.
Reasonable price.
Reasonable price.
Great view.
Great view. Large portions. Marcia?
Yeah.
Well,
It was good. Enjoyed it.
what did you have?
I had fish, pollock, fried. You know my nose.
Ditto. Had a nice view too. Not quite like Finn's, but it's nice.
I like my